I told you once and I told you twice. Never listen to my advice. You don't try very hard to please me. And what you know, it should be easy. Well, this could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time. I don't know. I don't know. Well, I'm sorry, girl, but I can't stay feeling like I do today. There's too much pain, there's too much sorrow. I guess I'll feel the same tomorrow. Well, this could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time. I don't know. I don't know.